So this time around, rather than have my Eton FR370 left on like so, to listen to the weekly test alert for NOAA weather radio, I'm gonna leave it on alert weather band, which is like a standby mode, which will mute the audio from like the weather band radio. But as you can see right here, it'll still be left on so that some sort of indication of an alert will pop up on the screen there. So it's almost 11 o'clock right now, and hopefully the test should occur any second now. So let's see if it works. It is now 11. Oh, God. Can't believe it actually worked.
This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted to specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. The current time is 11:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Now it's 81 KBO XDDH HMMR WSBO XCTZ 2 greater than 004 MOS 2 greater than 024 026 RIS 1 greater than 008 281700 Regional Weather Story National Weather Service Taunton, Massachusetts 7:45 a.m. Wednesday, September 28, 2016. Today will be mostly cloudy with a continuing chance of some spotty drizzle for the eastern portion of southern New England. High temperatures today will range from the upper 50s to the lower 60s, with areas in the Connecticut River Valley seeing the warmest temperatures. Overnight temperatures will be in the low to mid-50s across the region.